Title: Gasp, the sound of surprise and breathlessness. Meaning: let's explore the word gasp. A gasp is a sudden and sharp intake of breath, often accompanied by a surprise, shock, or when someone is out of breath. Use in a sentence. For example, when the magician made the rabbit disappear, the audience let out a collective gasp. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gasp is simple, gasp, with a soft G and a short A. Conclusion. In summary, gasp is a universal expression of surprise, shock, or breathlessness. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, keep your ears open for the sound of a gasp in everyday life.